Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to do, this time, not today, I've done others, is my brother, and it's a sewing machine and an embroidery machine. This is the one where the book says restrictions on oiling, do not oil. Obviously the grease that's in the main machine will last forever. Enough oil has been put on to last blah de blah de blah. It even says don't oil the shuttle race and just brush. This time I'm going to do that. If I've got a problem, then all the back will come off and I'll brush and clean and oil and everything else, but we'll see. I'll put this, I haven't used this for a long time, and that's because I was having a problem. This is a brush that comes with the brother. I've just read all through the manual on care and maintenance. It's not plugged in. I've got the covers off here and I've got the bobbin off. Now I can't do, obviously, the bobbin test like we have done on the older machines, because all this does is fitted to there. So I assume they've got rid of that problem by inventing these sort of things. Make sure there's no lint or dust and that inside and on the outside, and give it a good brush inside, and that's all I can do, I'm afraid. There's a sensor just down there, thread sensor or a bobbin sensor, one of the two or both. This is computerized, as you can see, so you don't have to do a lot to these. I've taken the foot off and I've taken the needle out, and obviously I'll put a new needle on. All I can do is clean. I can't take the front cover, I can't drop this down to clean under here. All I can do is just give it a light brush all the way over. Careful of the wires. I'm not going to oil it. I have done it in the past, so I'm not going to oil it this time, because I don't think you have to do modern machines as much as what you did the older type. That's it, that's all I can do. Give that a good brush. Make sure I've got nothing on there whatsoever. I did change this one once, it cost me £17. My needle went wrong or broke or moved and literally smashed straight into and dented. So I had to, it took me a few hours to find out, well, a couple of hours to find out what had happened, that it weren't sound because there was something wrong with the shuttle, and that's when I seen the dent. There is an arrow on there, you just need to replace the arrow, put the white mark next to the white mark which is there, then you know it's in the right place. You can tell that if you turn it forward, it don't move, it sits absolutely fine. Right, that's all we can do, and I'm going to wash the outside when I get all this lot back on. So, brush all these, make sure there's no lint. We'll put this back on. So, put it on the right way. Right, what it was. Oh, it's that way, is it? No. Can't be that way, as it must be. Can't be that way. Hang on a minute, let's do that. That's it. That's that one. It's because I'm standing up and not sitting in front of it. It will go in. It come out, so I know it'll go in. let's try putting that one in first. Right, that just slots in. I thought I clicked. Put that underneath. Right. Over there. And push them together. There you go. Make sure there's nothing there. So all I can do is set it all up so and see what happens. I'm going to wash it, give it a wash. So I've threaded it and put everything back on, and I've washed it down. So I'm just going to switch it on now. Right, that's ready, so I'll just move you to one side. And here we go, let's have a go, let's see what it stitches like. I've got it on half speed, tension 3 and a 2mm, and I'm making sure that my needle is going to go through the hole, so that's fine. It's on a straight stitch. I like this machine because it always finishes with needle down. Right, I want to make my, I'm going to put it on 4 C8 and then turn, make it go faster. And then let's have a look. And well, the stitches look alright. Let's just turn my tension up just a little bit. Let's put it on number 4. I don't like the sound it's making. But I haven't used this for a long time, but for a modern machine it's noisy. I can't remember it ever being so. Right, tension underneath is absolutely fine. That's fine. And the top's fine. So I don't know why I put this machine away, perhaps it just needed a cleaning. There you go. I didn't do a lot to this because the operation manual says not to. I have done in the past when I've had, because I've had this about 8 to 9 years now. So basically that's it. I can pick that. This is the only one I've got that actually finishes with the needle down. So I just put the machine and it cuts in the thread for me. Yeah, I can't complain about that. So there you go. So this is what I'll do with this one as well. Piece of my thread, piece of cloth underneath, and just sew it, and it's got a new needle in. Cut the thread. Obviously I need that sort of things, and I'm not going to test my embroidery section because if it's sewing right then the embroidery should be right, because that means everything's balanced, so there should be no need to check that. So pen and paper, I did find my pen in the end, is today's date, which is the 15th of November 20, and cleaned, not oiled. modern machines you don't have to oil as often as the very old ones. And if you've still got it under warranty or guarantee and you don't fancy doing the modern ones, then don't touch the oiling whatsoever. Just take it to a maintenance guy to do it for you, or woman. Clean, not oiled, tension, top tension on 4, and sewing good. So that tells me all the information I need to know the next time I get it out. And then just stick that in there, switch it off, put it away. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and you'll be notified each time I do a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.